Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to extend the life of your screen on your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Maybe your screen shuts down a lot and you would like it to shine longer without tapping the screen. This is very easy to do. To do this, go into your iPhone settings. Now you go a little lower, and here you select the item, display, and brightness. Then you go down to the bottom. You should have power saving mode turned off. If it's on, it won't work. Now here you select the item, auto lock, and by default we have it set to 30 seconds. If we press ever, the screen will never go out. But I advise you to choose 5 minutes. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.